Edo Governor Obaseki don tok say Edo State College of Health Science and Technology Edo College of Health go start academic activities for September 2024 as the laboratories, hostels wey fit take 400 students and other facilities don ready. Oga Obaseki yarn tori pipo dis one after e go for one check waka with the provost of the college and other staff round the facility of the institution for Dumes Road inside Benin City. The governor kon yarn say the provost don tell am say the CBT exams for admission to enter the institution go shele later this month and dem dey work round the clock to make sure say classes go start for September 2024 and that na why im come to see things with im eye. Oga governor kon still yarn say time no dey again but the important buildings wey the school need to start don ready. The laboratories and hostels wey fit take about 400 students sef don ready. Say dem don give am assurance and e no get any reason to doubt dem. Say this place go ready to start academic activities by September 2024.
The exams for admissions into this school will take place later this month, and they're working very, very hard around the clock to make sure that classes resume here on September 9th. I've come to see things myself because we are really running out of time, but I've been assured that the critical buildings required for the school to start are ready. The laboratories are ready, they'll be fitted, and it just requires a bit of cleaning up. The hostels are also ready for about 400 students. So I've been given the assurance, and I have no reason to disbelieve them, that this place will be ready for school to start September.
Provost of Edo College of Health, Dr. Moyo Kasim, kon tok say dem don already do the accreditation processes some weeks ago and dem dey sure say the school go get the accreditation to start academic activities by September 2024.
Yeah, we've gone through the accreditation process about a couple of weeks ago, and I can assure you that before the end of next week or so, we will receive our official letter. But unofficially, all our programs here are going to be accredited before lecture starts September 9th.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.